People always say Yunnan is spring all year round. So last winter when Yangshuo got so cold, Chile and I we rode to Yunnan with our new motorbike to go camping and climbing.
We are about to go out of Guangxi.
And it's true, the weather was so pleasant.
The weather here, nothing can beat this.
But the crags, interesting.
Oh no.
The beehive on the top ankle.
We wanted to get to Yunnan as soon as possible, so we only stopped by along the way to rest and to check out a crag in Nanning, Guangxi.
We arrived at the crag very late again. Like I said, this is our thing. Chile,
Yes,
are you ready?
we are ready.
Ready to go? Come on.
I was sitting in the back seat. You were going 95.
I'm really tired right now. I'm ready to go to sleep. See you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. One of the benefits of camping at the crag is that the minute we wake up, we can go climbing. This is Hosan Crag in Nanning, 10 to 15 kilometers away from downtown.
So big.
We just finished climbing. We were gonna go to Yunnan Province to climb, so we just stopped by here. Time is running out. We pack everything, leave no trace. See you guys at the next destination. Oh my god, look at this mountain. Looks like a beehive. So cool. Look at the holes. We are very close to Yunnan Province, right? Walking around in the city, Jinxi. We are about to go out of Guangxi. Yo, the night is so vibrant here. Where are we?
燕山
On our way to Mengzi. Stay here for a night. We arrived in Mengzi city.
Mengzi.
Yeah, there are 3 crags here, right?
Yes.
And this is one of them. It's called Xiaohongyan. That's the rock face. This is the Zichun village. So beautiful and so warm in the winter. We're all set. Oh. What the hell is this? I'm already missing Yangshuo. We got to the bottom of the wall. Yeah. Hey, you guys should come here to climb more often. It's so bushy now, even in the winter time. Oh no. Oh, I feel like I'm a spiky hedgehog. It's so hot here. We wanted to climb with our underpants. Okay, take. Woo! Beautiful. beautiful view, beautiful car. We are done climbing today. This is a nice crag. There were some loose rocks when we were climbing, and some of the rocks fell off. Always wear a helmet. Yeah, be safe. Okay, so we are going to pack up and then get something to eat and go pitch our tent before it gets dark. If you guys ever come to climb here, remember, take out all the trash. Don't leave anything here. It's a beautiful crag, beautiful town here. Million thanks to those who boated the routes here. This is an old train station of Zichun. Feels like we are traveling back in time. Hello.
Hi. Good morning, guys. We had the best sleep of our trip so far. It's time to get up. We will go to another crag today. Yes, let's do this.
Ready to set off again. Whoa! I almost tripped over. This crag is boated by the Kailas team, rock searching in 2021, right? Thank you guys. Thank you guys very much.
Oh no, as I'm about to clip into the top, there's a beehive on the top anchor. Crazy. I don't want to clip in that.
Because of the beehive on the top anchor, now I have to go down climb. After the beehive, I'm so scared. I need to take a rest. Had a good time here. The approach is not bad. You can park your car or motorbike on the main road, and then you can walk down the trail. It's like maybe 5 or 10 minutes walk. Chili was a little bit sick before we set off, and I was okay, but now I'm sick. Whatever, yeah. It is what it is, and we gotta do what we gotta do. Take out all the trash.
Unfortunately, we made a huge mistake. We went to the last crag in Mengzi right after Tuomodi. It turned out these two crags were not close to each other. The roads were bad, the approach was not easy.
Moon Hill, but it's getting dark. We can't really get our camping gear all the way up there.
And we didn't want to come back the next day, so we skipped this one. We rode through a foggy country roads into the city area of Mengzi. Lesson learned. Less is more. On the bright side, we had the best rice noodles in Mengzi.
Hi, good morning guys. I'm not gonna lie, I'm sick. We decided to stay in this hotel and in this city for 2 days to put ourselves together.
Stay tuned for our next adventure in 西双版纳。